Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then select Printing under USB connection. Following that, you can click on the Footprint service right away and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, disable this one first, thanks to blue sweater at the top. Go back and tap on Add Service. Then download the best one for you. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!